Hello friends, in this Excel tutorial you will see something very practical. You will learn how to create a fully automatic and dynamic barcode system in Excel that updates instantly and which will be recognized by any barcode scanner. So we have here item names and their universal product codes. Now watch this closely. I'm going to change just the first two digits of the UPC and look at that. The barcode updates immediately. No refresh, no redo, no manual work. This is business ready, practical, and something you can start using today. So make sure you subscribe to Learn Accounting Pro Studio and hit the bell icon to never miss practical Excel tutorials that actually save time and money. So let's start. On the Excel worksheet, three columns are prepared. One column is for the product or item name, the second holds the UPC number, and the third is reserved for the barcode output. The barcode will be generated directly from the UPC value, so no manual drawing is involved. Before building any barcode, the UPC values must be treated as text. So select all the UPC cells, go to the Home tab, and open this number format dialog from the number group. From the list, choose text and confirm by clicking OK. We set the UPC codes as text so Excel doesn't fix them like numbers and accidentally break the codes that begin with 0. Now comes the core step, creating the barcode pattern using a formula in the barcode column. In the barcode column, enter the formula that wraps the UPC code with special characters required by the barcode font. So type formula equals to double quotes steric, then double quotes ampersand. Now select this B2 cell, ampersand, now double quotes steric and double quote, and hit enter. This formula adds an asterisk before and after the UPC value, which acts like a start and stop signal so barcode scanners can read it properly. Once the formula works for one row, drag it down using autofill like this. This instantly applies the same logic to every item, saving time and keeping everything consistent. At this stage, the values still look like text. So first, I will select these rows and increase the row height like this. Now to transform them visually, I will select the barcode cells, then go to the font group on the ribbon and scroll through the font list and apply this barcode font. The moment you do this, the text turns into a machine readable barcode. Here it's important to point out that this barcode style does not come pre-installed with Windows or Excel. You must download it separately from the internet. The download link is shared in the video description for convenience. So to download it, open Google Chrome and type dafont.com in the address bar. Once the site loads, find the barcode category and click on it. You will see many barcode fonts listed here. From the available options, select CIA code 39, which is the font used in this demonstration. Click the download button on the right side to start downloading the font file. After the download finishes, open the folder, right-click the zip file and choose Extract here. This unpacks the font so it can be installed. Right-click the extracted font file and select Copy. Then open Local Disk C. Go to Windows folder and open the font folder and paste the font here, like this. Once pasted, Windows installs it automatically. Now return to Excel and open the font drop-down menu. You will see the newly installed barcode font listed. Select it and Excel instantly renders your UPC values as barcodes. This barcode system is fully dynamic. If you change any UPC value, the barcode updates instantly without rewriting formula or reapplying fonts. This makes it perfect for inventory system and product lists. Let's test the automation by changing one UPC code and immediately seeing the barcode update. The same happens with another UPC, so I will change it, proving the setup is fully automatic. This entire method is simple, efficient, and ideal for anyone who wants to generate barcodes directly inside Excel without external software. I have pinned a comment below asking how you would use this Excel barcode system in your own work or business. Go drop your answer there, and if enough of you ask for it, I'll make the next video on barcode-based inventory tracking in Excel. So that's how you can easily create automatic barcodes in Excel. And if this barcode tutorial helped you, subscribe to Learn Accounting Pro Studio and hit the bell icon so you can never miss our Excel and accounting lessons. Thanks for watching, keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next one.